Did you know that planetary collisions aren't just a rare cosmic event, but a fundamental part of our solar system's history? Scientists believe that the Moon itself was formed from the debris of a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body. But what if these catastrophic impacts aren't just relics of the past? Could a collision like this happen again, reshaping our world in an instant? Stay tuned as we explore the incredible forces that have sculpted the very planets we call home. Imagine for a moment Earth on a collision course with another planet. The impact would be catastrophic, with unimaginable forces tearing apart the land, vaporizing oceans, and triggering worldwide fires. This isn't just science fiction. Planetary collisions have shaped the solar system before, and they could do so again. Understanding these collisions isn't just a fascinating study of the cosmos, it's crucial for understanding the fragility of our own world and the potential threats that lurk in the vastness of space. What would happen if Earth collided with another planet? The consequences would be nothing short of apocalyptic. Planetary collisions are rare on a human timescale, are a well-documented phenomenon in the vast history of the universe. These colossal impacts are often the result of gravitational forces pulling planets, asteroids, or other celestial bodies into chaotic orbits. In the early days of our solar system, such collisions were common, leading to the formation of moons, rings, and even altering planetary compositions. While the likelihood of Earth experiencing a collision today is low, the potential dangers are immense. A large enough impact could cause mass extinctions, drastically alter Earth's climate, and even disrupt its orbit. Understanding the science behind these events is crucial, as it helps us grasp the sheer power of cosmic forces and the fragility of life on our planet. During a planetary collision, the immediate effects would be nothing short of catastrophic. The sheer force of impact would release an explosion of energy far beyond that of any nuclear bomb, instantly vaporizing vast areas and sending shockwaves across the globe. Massive tsunamis would engulf coastlines, while earthquakes would ripple through the Earth's crust, reshaping entire continents. The sky would darken as debris launched into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging the planet into a prolonged impact winter. This sudden climate shift could last for years, drastically cooling the Earth and disrupting ecosystems. The survival of life, as we know it, would be in jeopardy, with only the most resilient species standing a chance in this new, hostile environment. It's a scenario that underscores the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. In the most dramatic scenario of a hypothetical planetary collision, the scale of destruction would be nearly unimaginable. Entire continents could be obliterated, leaving behind only smoldering craters where cities once stood. The impact would eject billions of tons of debris into space, some of which could rain back down as fiery meteors, igniting massive wildfires across the globe. The oceans would boil at the point of impact, sending massive plumes of steam into the atmosphere, further destabilizing the climate. The long-term implications for humanity would be dire. Civilization as we know it could collapse under the weight of such a disaster. Crops would fail in the darkness of the impact winter, leading to widespread famine. The very air we breathe could become toxic as chemicals released from the impact mix in the atmosphere. In the face of such overwhelming destruction, humanity would be forced to start anew, if survival were even possible. This scenario serves as a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability in the vast and often violent cosmos. As we've explored, the concept of a planetary collision is more than just a theoretical idea. It's a potential reality with devastating consequences. We've seen how these collisions have shaped our solar system, creating moons and altering planets. We've delved into the immediate effects of such an impact on Earth, unleashing earthquakes, tsunamis, and a darkened sky that could trigger a catastrophic impact winter. The scale of destruction would be unimaginable, with entire ecosystems wiped out and humanity facing the very real possibility of extinction. These are not just distant possibilities, but critical reminders of the fragile balance that sustains life on Earth. Understanding these risks is crucial as we continue to explore and protect our place in the universe. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey through the potential impacts of planetary collisions. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Space Farmers for more out-of-this-world content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about these cosmic cataclysms. And remember, stay curious and keep looking up, because the universe is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring with Space Farmers.